Good morning, everybody. Bright and early. Just got done pressure washing Beauty here. Load her up on the tilt trailer and we're headed over to the next town. Let's get started. All right, guys, we just arrived on site, and tight lot to get in here for equipment for sure off the road, and they're repaving the road this week, so twice as hard because I can't unload on the road once it's, or load back up on the road, vice versa. But we're gonna cut in a road right here, which on here's the print. So it's this crusher run driveway. See how it loops around and then comes into the existing point right there. Yeah, right there. That existing point is right there on my truck. So that will get boxed out. I'm gonna have Miko lay all this out. I'm gonna help him right now, and then I'm gonna go mobilize equipment. He'll box the sod out and then put it all over here. So basically where the skid steer is sitting is in the garage, which where it says building site, and then to the right of that is like the parking area where you pull in, which will be all right here, which drops off severely. So basically that top little sod spot's the back corner, and that's about, the homeowner shot it, I guess that is about 5 foot difference from that corner. So we're into a hill, and we're gonna have just about 8 foot walls over here, 4 foot sticking up, so 4 on the ground, 4 up, then down here roughly 6 foot, and there'll be 2.5 sticking up, and 4 and change in the ground. So okay, because we are in the hill, this is what the foundation is going to look like. It's like that on the right side. Taller walls. There's another vision of it. Obviously these are garage door openings. So, and that's the finished product there. So this is where we're at. We're just putting a range through, because that's the way the homeowner has it laid out. He wants it at this angle, so we're just going to range through his area and put some setback stakes. Then we'll square off of that, get everything laid out, and Meek will grub the sod off. And I'm going to go get the dozer and excavator. Check back. New lens on the camera screen, so hopefully it's a little clearer. We got our range going through. We got the one pin there. He's got the tape going across. We got a hook onto this other pin, so it's 52 feet. And then I'll pull 28 there. All right, I got the 28 pulling off of there. The 59 3/4 is my diagonal, which is at that thumb, 28 at that thumb. They go this way, they go that way, they go this way. Where do they intersect? You pull them both tight. They cannot be wrong. Been through it. 59, 28 3/4. Easiest way to square, 2 tape method. Boom, done. All right, there's our other side right there. Diagonal 59 3/4 by 28. All right, I just left site. I forgot to leave the camera with Miko. I'm going to pick up the dozer. I was gonna leave it with him and let him film some of that box out of the sod, but it is what it is at this point. Catch you in a bit. All right, just arrived on site with the dozer. We got this little predicament here where you can't push the ramps down and you can't get them down as hard as you want. You're not gonna, because they're bound in. I'm gonna dedicate this to my boy AC, because he's the one who taught me this, watching his videos. So there's a little shout out for you, Bubba. Hand over the controls to Miko and watch how it's done. So there you go. 1, 2, 3. Just throw it in reverse and she will. And the same scenario when you're pulling out. If you can't pull them up, like right now, I'd never be able to pull this up. Pull forward with the truck and she'll move. Get this unloaded. sitting on top of the dozer here. We got Miko boxing it out, getting the topsoil off, setting it over there. Looks like we got a gravel base here, which is really awesome for drainage. Should make good road base for this because we got to build all this up. I'm gonna head to get the 160. He's gonna do the rest of the stripping, and we'll catch you back. I'll leave the camera with him. All right, everybody. Sorry it took so long to get back to you. So I'm in the excavator now. I'm just bailing this dirt. We're gonna get this elevation where that laser set over there is basically the height of our subgrade where we're gonna be at over there, and we're gonna take that grade and bring it right across. And honestly, it's 6 foot difference in height. Didn't look it. I would have thought it would have been 4, but 6. So Miko is on the dozer, and he is going to be just pushing this dirt. We're just bailing it, not making it look pretty or nothing, just getting it out of the way so we can get this foundation dug, because I got my footing guys coming Wednesday. Today's Monday, so that gives us a day tomorrow. We're supposed to get a ton of rain tonight, of course. That gives us a day tomorrow to get this dug and get a crusher run road put in down to the blacktop so we're not making mud. And like I said earlier, the town is blacktopping tomorrow, this whole road, so we can't they're gonna be picky. This town's real picky anyways, but they're gonna be picky on what we do. If we make any mud out there, they're not gonna be happy. So we will just keep hogging this. There's a lot of big bones in this too. It's kind of gravelly, but I see pieces of shale. I mean, there's a hump of shale there, and I'm hitting there. See what I'm hitting and pulling out here. So you can treasure hunt. You never know what you're gonna get. That's a big hunk of shale. So we got definitely shale, and we got to go down quite a ways here. So hopefully we don't hit nothing severe. Looks like it's breaking up pretty good, so make a good base for this little parking area anyways. But nothing pretty, just hogging out dirt, trying to get as much done as we can to beat the rain. By the time we this is the first time I've been in the excavator, so it's already after lunch. We didn't get much time. Miko was just, I was mobilizing equipment all morning. Miko was in the skid steer. So we'll check back in a bit when we get something established. Nothing really to show besides me swinging and jabbling. All right, check back. Hey, when'd you guys get back here? Scared me. You guys were just in the dump truck a minute ago, now you're here. Strange how things work, huh? Alright. Same process. Loading trucks. Miko's got the grade out there looking kind of pretty. That's our height, or our height to our, where we install subgrade for finished concrete floor. There'll be 6 inches of crusher run on that, and then a 6-inch concrete floor, which we'll be doing that too. But obviously we still got to go down 4 foot for that point for the frost walls all the way around the whole perimeter of this 52 by 28. All you southern boys, you're not used to this, digging deep in the ground just for frost. I know that. A lot of extra digging up here in the Northeast. But that's what we do. Alright, let's get to it. So obviously if the truck was going down the road, I wouldn't be loading them like this, splashing the gate. And we're just trying to, I'm loading them a little sloppy because we're just cutting for time. We got rain coming and it's my truck, and if it was another truck, you know, a hired truck, obviously we would be scooping with half, just buckets like that, not heaped up. But being this gravel, it wants to spill out, and I'm rushing and I'm hitting the back of the gate, and I know the critics out there. guys, at the end of the day, we got some dirt moved. We got it down to the sub base height, which will be this, and then we'll have 6 inches of crusher on this, and then 6 inches of concrete. But that's after we dig down another 4 all the way around the whole perimeter, put our footings, our walls, and then these walls will be just about 8 foot. They're 7 foot 10, so they'll be 4 in the ground, and they'll be about right about here. But roughly, we put the equipment up there to protect this bank from you know, kids riding quads or whatnot. They're so used to riding in fields or lawns or whatever and cutting through, and for years it's been okay, and then next thing you know, there's a hole here and they don't know, you know, and they drop off. So at least this gives a forewarning. But yeah, not bad. We really started excavating just about after lunch, you know, a little bit before, playing around hogging material, but not bad for the day. So we'll catch you tomorrow. We'll be digging for footings because we do have the footings going in Wednesday. We have no choice, and it's starting to rain. So see you tomorrow. Thanks.